This video is sponsored by Skillshare. What is Skillshare? Skillshare is an online learning community for creators. You can choose from thousands of classes: design, photography, business, music, animation, and more. You can learn from anywhere and anytime online. If you're at work, on the road, or at home. Share your work with the community all over the world. Get feedback and constructive criticism so you can improve your skills. On Skillshare you will learn from real people who have real experiences. They will teach you their experiences, their skills, and they will also talk about their mistakes. For $10 a month you will have full access to all the classes on Skillshare. Thousands of them for only $10, guys. There are also many drawing and art classes. If you want to learn how to draw, or if you want to learn how to animate. If you are ever interested in producing music or anything else, Skillshare is the right place. There you can find courses for every subject. The drawing course, which I like very much, is this one. Patrick Brown teaches you how to bring your characters into motion, which is really helpful. And the cool thing is, if you're skilled enough, you can also teach on Skillshare and make some money on the side. And what's even cooler, the first 1,000 people to use the link in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. So guys, make sure to check out the first link below and join the Skillshare community.